In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair new Oculus Quest 2 controller without phone. This is a quick and easy process. All you have to do first thing is to replace the batteries. The most frequent problem is simply that batteries have died. Just replace them with fresh AA batteries and try again. Then try to restart the headset. If the controllers don't seem to work or are not being recognized, so you have to repair the controllers. You might need to repeat the pairing process. To do so, just follow the repairing process. And now, if you are asking, can you pair your Oculus controllers without the app? If you don't have access to your Meta Quest 2 in the mobile app on your iPhone, you can contact your customer support or repair them as well. So thank you for watching.